we want to factor 6t to the fourth minus 13t squared minus 28. And so this is one where probably about half and half people would be comfortable leaving that trinomial as it is and using your favorite method to factor trinomials on it. Or some of us may feel more comfortable using substitution. And so I'm going to show you how to use the substitution on this type of one. So again, we can see that it's definitely that trinomial shape. And so what's going to tell us what we want to use for substitution is that terms there. So that middle term is what we want our substitution to be, that t squared. That's what we want to let u equal. And so if we square t squared, we get t to the fourth. So u squared will equal t to the fourth. And we can substitute both of those back in and rewrite it. So that we get 6u squared minus 13u minus 28. And now it does look like those trinomials that we're accustomed to. And you can use your favorite method of factoring them. I'm going to use trial and error. So looking to see what multiplies to give us 6. We have 1 and 6, or 2 and 3. What multiplies to give us negative 28 is negative 1 and 28, negative 28 and 1, negative 2 and 14, negative 14 and 2, or negative 4 and 7, or negative 7 and 4. So we want to choose the one of those that when we check out the OI, the outside and the inside, we get that negative 13. So we're probably not going to want the really big numbers like 28 in there, because 13 isn't that big. So my instinct says I think the 2 and 3 are going to work the best. So I'm going to try those first, 2u and 3u. And then again, 13 is not that big of a number. So my eyes are looking down at those smaller numbers in our second column, looking at the 4 and the 7. So I'm going to try a 7 and 4, and I'm going to try a negative 7 and a positive 4. So if we check out the outside, we get 8 for our number, and the inside we get negative 21. And if we combine those two, we get negative 13, which is what we want. So there's the factored form with u in it, and so now we just need to rewrite it, the factored form with the t in it. We're going to substitute back those t squares in for the two places that we have a u. So our answer will be 2t squared minus 7 times 3t squared plus 4. And there's our answer. Again, you don't have to use substitution to do this. This is one that's maybe a little more borderline, where more people will go either way, but if you wanted to, this is how you would do it.